Shapes. Binny and Ginny are back from school. They have their lunch. Binny plates is around, Ginny plate is oval. Mother gives them a burfi each. The burfi is square. In the evening, Binny and Ginny go to the park there with their mother. The gate of the park look like this. Ginny point to the gate. The and says, "Mama, what shape is the gate?" Mama says that is a square. What is the shape in the middle of the gate? Ask Binny. Mama says that a circle. Ginny says, can you see another shape? Binny says, oh, I know there is a triangle. Let's try this. Look and say square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world's so high, like a diamond in the sky. Match the pitch, match the shape with the object. Rectangle, circle, square, or triangle, oval. Trace these letters P, B, R, D, J, S. Draw faces in the circles. Chanda Mama. Color the hut. Draw your design within the blanks space and color them.